Hello guys! It's me, Mara, at today ay maglalaro tayo ng Need More Love sa Roblox! Bago ang lahat, huwag nyo kalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe! Let's go! Objective: raise money to afford chocolate. You can find the chocolates at the mall. Saan tayo makakahanap nun? Tara, labas tayo dito guys! You can find the chocolates at the mall. Sa mall daw! Pero, may pera na ba tayo? Tara, magbenta muna tayo ng lemonade. Sell lemonade. Ayun, buti may bumili guys. Try nga natin bumili ng chocolate na. Magkano naman kaya yung mga chocolate dito? Ayun, 20? Uy, 20 lang pala eh. Kayang-kaya ng budget. You have one chocolate. You can talk to your girlfriend after 1%. Nasaan na kaya yung girlfriend natin? Andito kaya? Ayun, yung girlfriend natin, yun nga lang, kalbo guys. Girlfriend, look. Malungkot daw si girlfriend. Hey princess, don't be so down. I got something to cheer you up. Tara, bigyan natin siya ng chocolate guys. Hands over. Ayun, binigay ko na nga. Tingnan nga natin kung ano magiging reaction niya. You got me one chocolate? You're not hiding any, are you? Nope, this is all. I spent a good $20 on it. Naku, dissatisfied daw siya. Well, you did spend money on it. Next class is Build a Bear. Don't disappoint me and get me lots of teddy bears. I want to show off to my friends. Anything for you? What is this, a Valentine's gift competition? Naku, objective, buy teddy bear for girlfriend. You can find the teddy bear at the mall. Kailangan daw natin bumili ng teddy bear. Tara nga sa mall, magkano kaya yung bear? Let's go. Pasok ulit tayo dito. Ayun, $50. Meron pa tayong 80. Pwede na. Ayun, nakabili na tayo ng teddy bear, guys. Bigay na natin ulit kay girlfriend. Magiging masaya kaya siya dito? Kausapin natin siya ulit, guys. Hey, class was so boring. Tell me about it. Lol. Guess what? I got you. Is it brown, furry, and resembles a bear? Tinatanong niya kung kung teddy bear na daw ba yun. Tara, bigay na natin. You guess it. Hands over teddy bear to girlfriend. Tara, bigay na natin, guys. Sana maging masaya siya, no? Oh, the teddy bear is so cute. But just one teddy bear? The best one. I like it. Sabi ni girlfriend. Naku, meron na naman. Save up money to buy a necklace. Kwintas naman daw ang gusto niya. Tingnan natin kung magkano kaya yung kwintas. Uy, yung mall owner, oh. See you later. Sana kaya yung mga kwintas? Ayun, necklace. Wala pa tayong perang 100, 1,000, 10,000. Tapos may 1 million din. Ang mahal na nun, guys. So, kailangan natin ngayon magbenta ng lemonade. Tara pa, magbenta tayo dito. Lemonade. Buti na lang may bumibili lagi, no? Lemonade po. Bili na po kayo ng lemonade. Healthy po yan. Para hindi tayo masyadong magkasakit. Saving. O yun, bumibili siya ulit. Buti na lang, no? Lemonade. Lemonade kayo dyan. Cold and hot lemonade. Sell. Meron na tayong $120, guys. Sige, magbenta pa tayo. More lemonade. Whoop! Ala, police officer nearby. Don't get caught. Tago muna tayo dito sa puno, guys. Pag dumaan yung pulis, tago muna tayo, guys. Kung hindi, uhulihin tayo. Lemonade, sell lemonade. Pero meron na tayong $200, guys. Makakabili na tayo ng necklace ni girlfriend. Tara, mukhang kaya naman na natin bilhin yan. Tingnan nga natin. Naku, etong 100. Ang cute kaya. Bigay na natin kay girlfriend, guys. Let's go! Sana magustuhan niya tong necklace, no? Ayan na siya, ayan na siya! Surprise! Did you miss me? Naku, Naku, galit pa rin siya, guys. Still mad, giving the silent treatment. I got something to make up for my lack of appreciation lately. Oh, let me see. Gusto niya daw makita, guys. Medyo excited siya. Bigay na natin necklace. Hands over necklace to girlfriend. You got me a candy necklace? My friends are gonna laugh at me. Naku, tatawanan daw siya ng mga kaibigan niya, guys, pag nakita yung binigay nating necklace. No, they won't. Besides, I don't think they can eat their necklace unlike yours. Oo nga, pwede niya kainin, di ba, pag nagutom siya? Go home alone. I'm going by myself after school. Oh no! I know what would cheer her up. If I got her a car. Hala, car naman daw ngayon, guys. Kailangan natin ng maraming benta ngayon nito ng lemonade. Tara, simulan na natin. Sell lemonade! Sell! Subukan nga natin to i-upgrade, guys. $100. Sell! Ayun, medyo tumaas na yung price ng lemonade natin. Ala, ayun, may pulis ulit. Tago sa puno, tago. Ayun, no, nakita nyo ba yun, guys? Ayun. Wait, ayun. Ayun yung pulis. Ayun, naku. Tago. Muntik na ako dun, Puti na lang, mabilis tayo tumakbo, guys. Ayun, may bumibili ulit ng lemonade. Guys, meron na tayong $1,000. Tignan natin kung kaya na nga natin bumili ng kotse. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ayun yung police officer, Talagang nagche-check siya, guys. Uy, parang si girlfriend din yun, kamukha niya. Andito na tayo sa bilihan ng mga kotse. Wow, ang gaganda naman nito. Lamborghini. Tingnan nga natin kung kaya na natin bumili ng kotse. Ayun, merong 1,000, guys. Bilhin natin to. Tingnan natin kung matutuwa si girlfriend. Ayun, nabili na natin, guys. Ibigay na natin sa kanya. Dali! Ayan na siya, guys. Tara, kausapin na natin. I-surprise natin siya na meron tayong ibibigay na kotse sa kanya. Guess who's going home in a brand new car? What do you mean? Bigay na natin yung susi. Hands car key to girlfriend. What kind of car is this? Only the most reliable car. The Reliant Robin. It only has 3 wheels. Hala, hindi ko napansin yun, My friends are gonna laugh at me. What? I thought she would like this. Sorry. How about this? Let me make it up to you at the mall. A mall date. Hala, bibili daw tayo ng mall? Nakita nyo yan, $0 na nga tayo, Paano tayo makabili ng mall, guys? Subukan natin. Lemonade, pambili lang ng mall. Ala, may pulis. Tago. Nakaalis na kaya siya? Ayun, nakalagpas na, guys. Balik tayo sa pagtitinda ng lemonade. Grabe, no, guys. Bibili daw tayo ng mall. Magkano kaya yung mall? SM Mall kaya yun? Guys, kausapin natin yung mall owner. Tanong natin kung magkano kaya yung mall. Grabe, daw makapaniwala. Bibili daw tayo ng mall. Mall owner, good day. May I help you? Yes, you can. I'd like to buy your establishment, this mall. Really, I doubt you could afford it, considering you're so young. Bata pa daw tayo, guys, kaya parang hindi siya masyadong naniniwala na makakabili tayo ng mall. But I won't judge you. Good. The selling price for this mall is... $150,000? So fork over that amount and she's yours. Lo, save up money to purchase the mall. Naku, paano yun, guys? Hala, nahuli tayo ng pulis, guys. Ayan. Police officer. Hey, you there? Can I help you, officer? Let me see a permit for this lemonade stand. Guys, may pagpipilian tayo. Kung sasabihin natin no permit, or bibigyan natin siya ng donut, or pay $10,000. Grabe. Subukan natin siya bigyan ng donut, guys. You do not have donuts to give to the police officer. Oo nga. Wala tayong donut, guys. Next time, after completing the flower objective, Go to the gas station, talk to the cashier, then buy the donuts. Hala, next time daw, bumili muna tayo ng donuts para prepared tayo pag nahuli tayo ng pulis. Naku, hala, ayan na guys. Mukhang mahuhuli tayo guys. You mean to say to you have been selling lemonade without a permit? I am placing you under arrest. Naku, makukulong tayo guys. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you can say and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. Lo, yung sagot ko guys is, naa. Ayan na, nahuli tayo guys. Run away from the cop. Ngi, kailangan natin umiwas lang dito guys. Ayun. Uy, muntik na. Uy, ala. Ngi, di tayo nakaligtas. Hala ka. Nakulong tayo guys. The end. Naku. And that's Need More Love. Sa tingin ko guys, sa susunod, makakapag-date na kami ni girlfriend. Comment part 2. If you enjoyed this video, paalam!